What up, family? In other words, every day I have to reset that. Oh, it's so cool. Let's see. All right, family. Hopefully you're doing good. Hopefully you're doing good. Bob Beckett here. Just loading up the handy dandy YouTube thingy, majiggy. There we are. Now I see you guys. How are ya? What's up, Christina Robbins? What's up, Smoke Eater? Sorry, I'm late. Had some technical difficulties. Had to catch up on some stuff as well. Living the dream. Let's go. That's what it's all about. Living that dream. What dream you living? I think you're actually serious when you say that. That's a good thing. You know, a lot of people are sarcastic. You guys hear the birds in the background? Driving me crazy. Did a nice 6% trade. So I'm up 27% on my Forex this month. Not bad. No birds? Good. Awesome. Thank you. What's up, this Gold House? How you doing, buddy? What's up, Phil B? Daniel New B? How's everybody doing today? Let's get right into it. Let's see here. I don't know. Anybody want my bird? I got this one bird that just won't shut up. Just not. We've been in the chop for several days now, but it's been good still. Like we've been able to make it work for us, you know? So that's our playing field. I don't care about anything else in the market. Like you can be like, well, we're in an overall bearish with a like nothing doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. This is all that matters to me. Right here. That's it. Want to sum it down, want to simplify. That's what you want to do in trading. What's up, Eric? How you doing, bud? Finer than a frog hair, split four ways. That's exactly how you sounded. I know that, Phil. That was finer than a frog hair split four ways. Paul Shank, what's up? I'm serious. Funny because I have two parakeets chirping another dude. I can't. Like, I love them, but man, they're so annoying. I just got to be honest. Like, they tricked me at the pet store. I'm gonna be fair, like, be completely honest with you. They did this whole charade, looking all cute, and then they come home and they don't shut up. Excuse me. Well, this is a quick one, so I'll be taking this trade if it closes. I'll just take it right here. Look, boom, boom. If it comes down here, quick little 50-point stop. Boom. Nice, easy 1 to 3. Well, easy, maybe. That's pretty fine. I'm gonna make these lighter. I hate, man. I wish I could make them like gradient or something. Or maybe I need to make it purple. Nope. 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 No, we'll just keep it that, I guess. And let me see if my that new funded account is ready. Should be off the cooker by now. There it is. Cool. Now, hold on a second. They make you pay for the activation fee if you get a free promo one. This is a free promo one I got from. I don't know. I've never done that before. Anybody know that? I don't want to pay for this if I don't have to. Let me. I will. I mean, it's not that much, $130, but it's like. Let me see what they say here. Switch to Pro. Congratulations, your test has been approved. I guess you have to pay for it if you use their free. That's tricky. Oh well, it works. I ain't that bad. I don't sound like that, Bob. I'm not from Tech. That's funny, Eric. I brought you home and you weren't cute anymore. Is that what you're saying? I don't sound like that, Bob. I'm not from Texas. Just stuck here the last 30. Gotcha. Some professional codes include benefit ways. Huh. All right. Well, that's how they get you. They give you a free. I can't really complain. It was a free. It was a free test. That's why I took it on the trading view. I'm like, all right, cool. Why not? Mm, yeah. Screw it. Next. 130 bones activated. I postponed my dental appointment because I'm like, dude, I'm not going to the dentist. All right, first of all, it's 45-minute drive there because it's the dentist that I like, and I hate driving that far. But 45 minutes there, then it's usually like 2 or 3 hours in the chair. Then it's 45 minutes back. I'm like, dude, and this is my birthday week. Like I turned 43 in 2 days. And I'm like, not that that matters too much, but I'm just like, I don't want to deal with it right now. So I rescheduled it for the third. I don't even know when that is, but I should always like schedule it like on a Monday, so I don't have to miss the afternoon. But love the state. I just hate the summer heat, especially originally from Minnesota. I got you. Yeah, I love the Florida heat. I don't know. Everybody. Some people hate it. I don't bother me at all. Got a cloud flip? Let's look. Should we go for it? Oh, snappy, snappy. Oh, snappy, snappy. 10-pointer. All right, these are I don't love this positioning here, but I will do it. Let's see. Take this on my other account here. Oh my gosh. Crap, I gotta lose money on this other account. I left this trade open on this other funded. I I have to lose $4,000. We need to drop That's crazy. I need to lose. Oh my gosh. I'm up I'm up $8,000 on this other account on my quant tower. I got to lose 4,000 today on it. So just know that I got in on this right here. 10 points. If I lose, it's just $200 risk. This is crap, dude. This better drop. It should drop. I needed to drop $4,000. That's crazy. That's bonkers, bro. Oh, how do I do these things, man? Look at this crap. I'm up 8,000. Ah, shoot. Oh well. We'll get there. Anybody know how to lose really well? Anybody anybody know how to lose? Let's see. For the sake of me, like tell me what to do so I could lose, please. Let's see. Click buy sell. Alex goes, what's up, Alex? I'm the same way. I live in Florida. I love, dude. If I could live, I'm not even exaggerating. If it could be 95 to 105 and humid every day, I would love it. I love, dude. I go to like the sauna, um, the wet sauna. I was sitting there, like I've just always loved it. I don't know. Yeah, it was risk it all right now. I'll just hold it until that sucker gets down. It better get down. All it has to do is get down to 4,500 by the end of the day. That's all. Activate gambler mindset. All right, still in this, not out. Let me see if my other take profit's ready yet. Let's see if she's because I'd love to get it. Actually, I'd love to get it on this. This take profit will be. This is the one I passed with you guys. 150K. Just the right thing. I better like hide this so you don't see some little snakes on here. Little snakes. Kevin, just let me start copying you, bro. I gotta figure out how to lose again. I'm just kidding. I'm not calling you a loser or something. That's kind of crazy. All right. Fly me to the moon. You better drop it like it's hot. You know what I'm saying? That's the song I need to be singing. What am I doing here? This is the wrong account. I don't even know what account that is. All right. Yep. Take profit. Pro. Look at that. Pro. So here's the thing, guys. This is live trailing drawdown, so I got to be careful. Let me do stop. 46 TP. Let's do that. Market. Oh, come on. I hate it when it does this, dude. 25040. 249. Whatever. Oh, that's why. Because I'm an idiot. I'm so stupid. 2504. Man, I was the stupid idiot. All right. 24980. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Why won't it freaking go, bro? 25040. 24. Oh my gosh, dude. 24. All right, screw it. I'll just freaking sell. Already missed the op. Well, the original op was here. No, the original trade was here. That's where I said I got in. So let's see if she could dump. Now I gotta be careful because the first 4,500 is live trailing. Go to gold or silver, get a few contracts, and just keep reversing. The spread will chew the money up quick. It's not a bad idea. Can you please just drop? I wish this would have got me in here. I got in there on the other account. Do 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 do. Oops. 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 Sell. There we go. Got on my forex. Might as well get some extra cash. Come on. Let's drop. Let's get some momentum here. NQ. Come on. Come on. Come on. I gotta watch this live trailing like a hawk. It'd be cool to get a payout today, right? I don't think it's gonna happen, but we'll see. I gotta be super careful with this live trailing crap. That's the only thing I don't like. So right now, I think we saw 150. If it loses, I'll be negative 500 already on it. Melt. Yeah, there's live trailing on a pro. The first 4,500. Then after that, you can start pulling. Take profit trader. Pulse X trades already at 1 to 1.5. Come on, take this out. So if you're just tuning in, we're just targeting this liquidity over here. Don't love the movement yet, but somebody just needs to wake up and melt. You're welcome, Mark. All right, here we go. Melt. Now I'm not being greedy with this. I gotta just push it up, take profit, push it, take profit, push it, take profit. I do have a way to defeat. It's a really cool way, actually, to get through the live trailing drawdown. Anybody want to see it? You want to see how I do it? So it's by candle, right? So I call it mitigation scalping. I want to see, okay, what's it breaking to the left over here? Do me a favor, like the video, hit subscribe if you're new here. Go live every day between 1 and 2. Kind of late today, but I'd like to get a payout with you guys today. But I don't know if I could hit 4,500 with these small risks. I got to get over 4,500, so I get 5,500 pull a grand or whatever. Not really a reason to melt, but we're building a case right now. Is what we're doing. I'll show you once I see it. What's happening. What you're really looking for is a candle by candle basis, okay? So with live trailing drawdown, I like to do these really kind of hyper mitigation scalping stuff but you have to be okay with like actually getting out of the trade and not holding trades, and like it's more high frequent trading. But you're playing it really smart that way, honestly, in my opinion. Hold on 1 second. 1 to 2 on that bad boy. See, I want to hold this, but I'm just going to start trailing tight. Or, I don't. I can't because it's stupid freaking. I don't have a. Oh, I can. I always forget I could do this. I'm a noob. Like I'm learning. I'm learning life. I always forget I could do this. All right, so I'm gonna trail that freaking super tight right here. No, that's set. Man, see, I need a buy, right? A buy stop. No, a sell. What do I need? I need a buy stop. See, I hate setting these manually. I need a buy stop, right? My actual win rate, depends on the strat, but I would say, all right, don't hit that already. All right, so we're gonna start doing it. All right, we're just looking for mitigation scalping, and I'm super tight with the sell. So I don't know what my high watermark was just now. Let's see what I ended up with. $123. That kind of sucks, but we're just gonna start scalping our way to victory. That's the goal. So you got to wait for it to come up to an area. I like the volume. I like the volume. We're coming up to this area. We're building like a case for it. I'm going to sell. Quick scalp. See if it rejects. Moved. Oh, man. See, I need my... I'm going to get out of break even if it hits up. Push. Drop, 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 drop. Grab like 300 at a time. This is 1 minute. Yeah, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. Didn't freaking go. All right. Broke even there. That's not it. So really what you're looking for is fills, right? So I think it'll fill this right here. So you want to get out right there, right? So it'd be sell, market. But we're not there yet. So we got to build a case. Like what's going on here? Coming up into this block. I'll be able to explain it once I get the vibe going, all right? All right, right there. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna take that down to like right here and fill this. If it starts breaking up, lose like 100-ish, get out. But you'll have like a run and all of a sudden you'll be up to 2 grand. But the trick is getting out early, cutting your losses early. Now, don't do this for normal trading. Like I'm not suggesting you do this for like your normal trading. This is for like if you have a live trailing situation. Do it by limit. Put this. We'll put it here. Not liking that it's above here, so we'll see what happens. This most likely is going to come up higher to in here, and I would just get out and wait for a better position because you got to be really careful with the live trailing. Still holding my original trade, my sells, just so you guys know. Buy stop on top, got it, yeah. I'm gonna put an emergency. Let me see. Micro emergency buy stop. Emergency one just in case. But hopefully this just tanks And I got to figure out the right sizing for what I'm trying to do right now, too. Definitely want more than like $100. Like, to hit that, yeah. Mm-hmm. Risking too little right now. She comes back to break even, getting out. I'll wait for a better position if it gives it to me. It's good enough. Minus 22. Cool. All right, so we'll just wait. This is like just bad movement at this current moment, and I got to risk a little more. So I'm going to use like 10 micros. Oops. I'm not out of the original trade, just so you know, on the right side. This is the 1 minute time frame. I need this to drop because I'm in a trade that's 8,400. I want it at 4,500. So hopefully it doesn't want to come all the way back up. It does have liquidity here. Once this takes liquidity, you could expect it to fill this right here. So this is what I'm talking about right here. So if I sell right now, 9 times out of 10, it'll fill this fair value gap, especially if it's going to go up. But if not, I'll get out at like negative 100-ish, right? That. So that's how you protect yourself. You don't want to hold those trades. Coming back up to the fair value gap. If you're in this trade, it went to a 1 to 2.35 and then shot back up. Now we're just waiting. Let me kind of take a step back here and just look at everything. Under fair value gap, broke structure down right here. Mitigating 5-minute block. Most likely going to drop right here. I'll give it one last shot and try to fill this. Put a buy. Needs to fill that area right there. Oh, sell. Gosh dang, dude. I am not used to setting manual. See, it doesn't want to have that space there unless it's actually going to shoot up. I'm going to put a buy stop here now. So it's either make money, it's either fills that or break even. That crap is what drives me nuts. Yeah, I know. It is. It does kind of suck, but you know what? It's better than not having 750,000 funded times however many sets you got. So sadly, that was 150. So if this loses, I'll be negative 150. But I'm hoping it fills this first. Right. So I'm probably like negative 300. A lot of trailing. I want to mark that up. All I need is a couple big ones. You get that on a run, like you start hitting these runs, all of a sudden you're up 2,000. You know, it didn't even matter. Let's try it again. If it goes from there, it's probably coming all the way down. Let's put it at liquidity area, but it most likely will at least come to here and fill this. We keep it tight stop. I gotta put on some music for myself. All right, so right here would be normally where I'd be taking profit, but I do think it should tank. I'd be taking some profit here, but that's just not enough for me anyways. I almost would rather lose at that point. Tank from here. Come on. It's not ready to go down yet. Pulling some small liquidity upside to take out most likely, so it'll probably lose this one. We'll see. He wants to come fill this. Gets below here, it should go to here easy. Comes back up, I'm out. Come on. Man, what crap. Yeah, it wants to come up probably. Broke even on that. Just come up here. Just hurry up and do it so I can get in a good trade here. Got me like doing these crazy little scalps right now. Oddly enough, I do this really well in Asian. Asian, I've been loving though. Not for scalping. You can't. It's not like a scalping situation in Asian. You know what I mean? What time is class? It'll be. I'm gonna move it to probably 2:30 today. You could hear my music. How can you hear my music? That's crazy. Mm-hmm. I'll just turn down my mic. Let's see if that helps. I'll give it one more shot. Dang. Could definitely come up to here. So I don't want to hear. All right, listen to me very carefully. I don't want to hear a bunch of people blowing their accounts because they're doing what I'm doing right now. Um, be very, very tight. Go smaller risk if you don't know what the heck I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to catch a little vibe here. Can you still hear my music? Just melt, please. Have this be the liquidity line. Melt it down here. I don't like this music at all. Let's try something else here. That is really horrible. Let's move that out of the way. Go. All right, took me out. That put me back at like 150 live trailing. So it's just not the move yet. We're just once you catch the vibe, once you catch like the trend, so it's done. Like you'll be able to stack up like 2,000. That's what we're kind of waiting for right now. So let's look. I'll enter again on this little break. I got out. Could have sold right there, maybe. Do you have that FEG it just did? Let me look on the 3-minute. Closed under a 3-minute FEG, but it has all this up here, so I'm being cautious. I'd rather see liquidity taken. Probably gonna fill this. But I want to see a break, then I'll get in. Who blew an eval this week and what did you break? What rule? Let's start getting into this. Yeah, see how it's filling that to that wick, most likely. I just don't like the momentum. Like, it can go either way at this current moment. So I didn't take that sell. I double clicked too many times. I got you. It's easy to do sometimes in the heat of the moment, right? It's like, oh man, just a couple more dollars. Nope. Nope. All right, the market's just got to start moving a little bit better. We can start jumping in and out. It's just kind of going sideways. So I need to either shoot up or shoot, like, just break something down. Hedge two, $20 apex yesterday at open, pass one, failed the other. Okay. There you go. I don't know if that's legal or not in their terms. Remember my daily stop and account was blown. Oh man, I'm sorry to hear that. Just to show you. I built this bot. It's not going to be called Angel. But I could put like... Let me shut this off real quick while I'm waiting. To do it. Hello. All right. You could turn this on or off. I'm just having fun with it. So I could put that in there. The whole idea is you come back after. We can't even hear it.
Moving toward your stop, what was the main thought that made you decide to move it?
Yeah, put the boot.
That desire to win is so powerful because it's tied to our ego and our hopes for the future. It's completely natural to want to be right, but in that moment, it sounds like the fear of losing felt louder than your trading plan. Does it feel like you are putting a lot of pressure on yourself to make a certain amount of money by a specific deadline? The most important thing right now is to step away from the charts completely so your nervous system can reset. Taking a walk or just getting some fresh air will help lower the cortisol levels that are likely peaking right now. Once you've had a chance to breathe, Do you feel ready to talk about how we can protect your capital when that urge to win at all costs strikes next time?
We're waiting on the trades here. Let's see. My gosh. I trained that on. I trained that on my whole on thousands of hours of my training, and then on this that I'm about to launch, um, prop trader belief system, like all this whole system on how to handle things. So I've been working on this for quite a while, and I trained the bot on that, and it's inside of Jericho IQ, which is my new program. This is all Jericho IQ is literally like I've been putting this together for so long. So we got community, calendar, all your trades, AI search. Like if I search like archived accounts, search AI analysis over these trades. Your win rate and everything over those specific trades, what's working, what's not working, key recommendations. Then you can chat with it about those trades. You can be like, you can say whatever you want, or you can say, "Am I over trading?" Stuff. Training area I'm building out, and there's all kinds of other things. This is my ADHD brain. I'm just like stacking this stuff over here on the right that we're gonna take over. It's pretty cool. I also just added a scanner. That's pretty freaking cool. Actually, let me show you that. Now, this is not going to be what it's like at all. It's actually going to text you based off what you want to see. Like text message you if you want it to. So I can do a quick scan on NES for here. It's going to check over 100 strategies and then 1 times 3 combinations, right? I caught a massive trade last night in confluence with what I was currently doing. And I don't really look at all the things on here. I just look at like overall. MOT. Just kind of we're still waiting. I'm hoping it comes up to here and kind of takes liquidity out so we could resell again. But if it comes down here first, breaks this, then up here, I'll take sells. That's what I'm kind of waiting on here. So this says 9 bullish, 16 bearish. So overall bearish, right? It detected 25 patterns between the 5 minute and the hourly, and I'm getting this to look better, so it shows you where it's detecting what. It's kind of cool. So different time frames. All right, here we go, pushing down. Overall bearish. So we just mitigated this. Let's get rid of this. And this. And this. And this. And this. I'd like to see this break. We have that close. We mitigated this block. As it fills out, I might take a sell. Didn't fill. Crazy movement right now. Hopefully the market wakes up soon. Crazy slow movement. Crappy little movement. We'll get it though. We usually get it around 350. Oh, it didn't tag me in. It's gonna leave that FEG right here. That small little baby FEG. Don't do it. Come and get it. Let everybody know. Actually, I'm gonna make my Zoom right now, and I'll say it's starting at 2:15. So if you're not a member yet and you want to go live with us for another 2 hours, hit up SolomonTrading.com. It's the QR code on the screen. Just scan it up. I do think this is about to tank, but I don't know when they get off their yacht, right? Happy movement right now. Let's see if she tags me out or what. So this is going to be a quick. If it comes back down, I just want to see it fill right here and grab it. Let me see here. See it almost there. Boom. $126. See that? That's what I'm talking about. You see, like it moved too fast and it needs to fill it back up. So that's what I'm trying to show you the whole dang time. Did you see that? Did you understand what I just did there? I call that mitigation scalping, right? So now we're at break even live trailing and we just need 4,400 to go. We might hit it by the end of the members only. We're also starting generational wealth. That's the $100 million challenge in the members only. Trying to get that started today because it's Tuesday. Probably start an Asian session. That's not. I'll put the call. I'll put every trade that I put, or most of them, in the school community for now. But really, the goal is to have you watch the journey, like how it happens, how we trade it, when we fail, when we had to start over, that kind of stuff. That's me and my son, by the way. That's why it's called generational wealth. Post it in the live group, as you can see right here, or in the VIP, Solomon Trading VIP. Again, you can try Solomon Trading VIP for 7 days if you're not a member yet. SolomonTrading.com. Go here. It's free for 7 days. You get access to my indicator. You get access to our community, all that kind of stuff. You can come in here, watch, look at the results. We got some liquidity build up here. It's probably going to shoot up to here, fill that, and then drop. That's my guess. Seven more minutes and we'll start that up. All right. What's your walkaway signal, guys? Like when you're like you just know you gotta go. Like you gotta get up out of your chair. What's your maybe that can help somebody else. How do you get up and get away? Going against you more than 30 ticks. What does that mean? Oh, for you. I'm like, wait, I'm not in a trade. So do you get out of the trade before? Really good trade or really bad trade? Okay. So one really good trade, one really bad trade, take a step away. That's good. I feel like we're frozen in time right now. See, right there would have been a decent little buy. Right here, because it needs to fill that. It might just wick this out, then go up. Like I could show you. So it comes up here, I just get out. Watch this. If it does. If it comes out here, I get out. Either way, it's fine, right? Might want to come down first. Of course, right when I'm trying to show you that, finally freaking moves. I almost bought again, just take it here to see. Uh, DCA one time. Yeah, watch. If it goes here, I'm out. And out. A little bad break there. So we're back to -3. I'm going to try one more buy. So limit. So we're in this mitigated zone right here. So if it wants to fill this, that'd be nice. There's 2 fair value gaps above. It's better to go the opposite direction ultimately. Block here. It needs to fill all the way up here ultimately, so wish I could right click and freaking add these. Here we go, push. Get up there. Don't break even. Don't break even. Don't break even. Don't break even. Ugh. It's not playing nice today. Let's take a jump out here, and in 2 minutes we're going live on our members only. The market seems to be waking up a little bit better. You go to solomontrading.com, join for 7 days for free. I'm going live for 2 more hours with my group, and hopefully the market wakes up and we can get some action going here. Ultimately, I need to start actually just measuring these things. So if I were to buy this right now, which I should have done a limit. Let's just call it right there. TP here. Stop. We'll call here. And do an actual risk per trade kind of situation here. So that's what I'm going to do. There we go. We're just going to go back to that for now because the market's just kind of wonky. That's my favorite way to trade, but I hate these live trailing drawdowns situations where it's like I could have got out there, you know what I mean? Like went up 1,000 and dropped to 5. Now I'm negative 500. It's so stupid. All right, one more minute, guys. We're going live on Zoom. I sent the link to the Telegram and to the live members only. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I go live every day between 1 and 2 p.m. Eastern on YouTube. Then I jump over to my members only, and we hang out there. So if you want to pass profit and challenges with us this week or this last 5 days, we passed a take profit trader account, 150K. And lots of people pass. Lots of people are profiting. Lots of people are getting payouts, which is awesome. This bounces off this zone here. Takes liquidity to fill this area up here. We'll see. All right, guys, going live on members only right now. All right, guys, God bless. Have an amazing rest of the day. Back it out.